Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in achieving this look, then make sure that you continue to watch and do not forget to like and subscribe, not only to my YouTube but to my other social media. They normally get updated first. Okay guys, so you know I've already put down my NYX white base, so now we are going in with the Juvia's Place Warrior palette in a very light brown color, and we're just going to apply that to the upper half of our lid, just as a transition color before we get into our actual colors. So now we're going in again with that Juvia's Place Warrior palette. This time we're going to use the darker color just to kind of tint it out a little bit, I guess. I apologize if I'm sniffling, guys. I have sinuses really bad, especially in the morning, and I usually record in the morning, so I'm so sorry if you guys see me sniffling. Alrighty, so now we're going in with the Makeup Revolution and the cut crease, and this is the shade white, and we're just going to start out with creating our cut crease so that our colors will lay correctly. Okay, so now we're going in with the Neon Loose pigment. I'm in Dallas, Texas, so I picked this up from a Dallas store. It was only like $1. I do know that you can get them online, but I am impatient and I hate waiting on shipping. So we're just going to apply that over like the top oval, I guess that's what you would call it. I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch. I did dim the camera down a little bit just so you guys could get the full effect of the color. So now we're going in and we're gonna apply the James Charles palette. This is in the darkest blue that he has. We're just going to apply that towards the outer corners of the eye on each side.
Can you play that again?
So now we're going in again with the James Charles palette. This is the lightest blue that he has inside of the palette, and we are just lightly brushing that onto the dark blue just so it's a nice gradient effect without those harsh lines. So I decided to go rogue and add some glitter to it. I didn't record it because I thought I messed it up, but here I am dancing because it came out amazing. So I applied my lashes and my winged eyeliner. So now we are just applying the e.l.f. primer moisturizer, and we're going to apply all over the face just so our skin has some nice moisture and a nice glow to it. So here's me swatting a damn fruit fly because he wants to be a part of my damn video. Okay, so back to our regular tune program. I'm going in with the LA colors and the color orange. You guys know I do this in every video. My foundation routine has not changed. We're just going to apply that all under the eye and over any dark spot.
Play that again.
Alright, so now we're going in with our LA Girl Pro Matte foundation. Same foundation I've been using in the other videos, and we're just going to apply that all over the face and in the cracks, baby. Okay, so now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn, and I'm just putting that down first, and then I'll go on top with the ColourPop concealer in a brighter color. Now I'm using a Real Techniques brush to go ahead and blend this out. I found that this little brush here gets in the cracks and the crevices really well, and I actually like it. Okay, so now it's time to hit that contour. So we're just going to start by doing our cheekbones, our jawline, and our forehead, and then going down that nose. Damn it, I forgot that I ran out of room or space on my phone, so I apologize. The thing that I did after we blended in our concealer and contoured is I set it with the Makeup Revolution translucent powder, as well as the banana powder. From there, we are just going to apply our Urban Decay, and I'll show you guys the finished result.